There are three ways in which things can heat up, in which heat energy can be transferred. First, conduction. Viewed with this thermal imaging camera, hot areas look white, cool areas blue. So as heat energy transfers from the hot plate, the whole pan becomes red because of conduction. Here's another example. Put a hot block of metal on top of a cold block and see what happens. Conduction is the transfer of heat energy through substances from warm regions to cooler ones. The cold block is clearly getting hotter. Eventually, both blocks will become the same temperature as their surroundings. Metals are good conductors of heat, but some are better than others. Let's see which of these metal rods is the best conductor: aluminium, copper, brass or steel. On one end of each rod, a small rivet has been stuck with a blob of petroleum jelly. The other ends, furthest from camera, are all heated together with a Bunsen burner. The jelly on the copper rod melts first. Copper is the best conductor. Next, aluminium and then brass, leaving steel as the least good conductor. Most liquids are poor conductors. Take a test tube of water with some ice at the bottom held by a gauze. If we heat the water at the top, what happens? The water at the top boils without melting the ice at the bottom. There's little conduction of heat down through the water. Most gases are also poor conductors. Our imager shows that the air around this Bunsen flame is relatively cold. In fact, you can slowly bring a match right up to the flame before it will ignite. So, metals are good conductors, but liquids and gases are poor conductors.